Which is the most haunting deathbed confession you know of? 1. There was a couple where the wife got some mental illness where she wouldn't go outside the house. This went on for years.